Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible, coming at you with yet another learning video. What are we going to be talking about today? Good old meme coins. Everyone loves a meme coin. They've been very popular recently. Most importantly, it's been mainly like Safemoon, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Obviously, all of them coming from Dogecoin, which was like the OG meme coin. But look, a lot of people love them. A lot of people have been talking about them, and I thought I'd actually do a video on why people actually love them. Where did they originate from? Why are there so many of them, and what is the point of them as well? So that is what I'm going to be covering in today's video. Going to be giving you a very educational, informative video as per usual. As always, guys, please do leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and ensure your notifications are turned on so you always catch these type of videos. As I said, guys, previously, these presentations will be put up on our website. On our website, you can find all the latest news, all of our uploads as well, and you can download these presentations in case you ever miss a video or you just want to go back and download it to read it for yourself. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So what are meme coins and tokens? Inspired by internet memes and current events and promoted by influencers, meme coins and tokens have shot to prominence. Influencers have always featured prominently in cryptocurrency culture, but never more so than recently. When Elon Musk threw his weight behind the original meme cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, it sparked a wave of imitators promoted by influencers on social media platforms such as TikTok. Some call investing in meme coins insanity. Others think of it as a cheap bet with the potential to realize 1000% profits. Whoever's right, interest in meme coins or tokens has surged in recent months, and here's the lowdown. So, what are meme coins and tokens? Typically, a meme coin has no inherent value and often no utility. As the name implies, these cryptocurrencies are often, but not exclusively, themed around internet memes, jokes, and images shared on social media. The original meme coin Dogecoin, or Doge, is based on the long-running Doge meme, which originated with a picture of a Shiba Inu dog. It runs on its own blockchain and as such is distinguishable from meme tokens which run atop an existing blockchain. Two of the most popular meme tokens are Doge imitator Shiba Inu SHIB and ERC20 token built atop Ethereum, and Safemoon, which runs on Binance Smart Chain. But there are dozens and dozens more. Now, when it does come to meme coins, everyone does have an opinion. Of course, I have my very own opinion as well. But at the end of the day, I don't really think opinions matter too much because, people are in cryptocurrency to make money. And we can all admit that these meme tokens have shot up in the past and they've made people a lot of money. However, they could also lose people lots of money. So, wherever your opinions are, fair enough. No one's judging you. If you're a lover of Shiba Inu and Doge and Safemoon or whatever it is, just because of the name or the memes that come along with it and the jokes, that's completely up to you. So, I rate it, but let's get back into it. So, did you know there are over 80 meme coins and tokens listed on price aggregator CoinMarketCap? Many are Dogecoin imitators and many others reference Elon Musk, either positively or negatively. How have meme tokens become so popular though? Since Dogecoin was launched in 2013, it's become much easier to create a cryptocurrency, and meme tokens can be launched rapidly on the back of events or become popular due to their associations with influencers. For example, in May 2021, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg posted a picture of his pet goat captioned "My Goats, Max and Bitcoin." Soon after, a meme token called AquaGoat saw its value increase by around 300% within hours of the social media post. When Elon Musk tweeted that if there was ever a scandal about him, it should be coined Elongate. An Elongate token was launched within an hour. Mercenary motives? Perhaps, but to date, the developers claim to have donated $3 million of their profits from the rise of the token to charity. How do you buy meme coins and tokens? As the leading meme coin, Dogecoin is available on a wide variety of crypto exchanges including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Meme tokens tend to be available on more limited range of exchanges. Shiba Inu, for example, can be traded at Binance, Crypto.com, and KuCoin, as well as decentralized exchanges or DEXs such as Uniswap. Just a side note, guys, I will be doing another video on explaining and educating you guys on what decentralized exchanges actually are. So stay tuned for that as well, but let's get back into it. A listing on Coinbase Pro has been temporarily delayed as of June 2021. Safemoon, being based on Binance Smart Chain, can be traded at Binance and on BSC-based decentralized exchanges such as PancakeSwap. Often, when they are first launched, meme tokens are given away. Many small cap meme tokens are only available on decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and can only be purchased with other cryptocurrencies. How are meme tokens different from other cryptocurrencies? All cryptocurrencies rely on a strong community and influencer support. But meme tokens have gained popularity due to their disproportionate association with influencers, especially Elon Musk. The Tesla chief needs only to tweet about a topic, such as Baby Shark, based on a popular children's song, to send the price of related meme tokens soaring. Meanwhile, meme token developers use publicity stunts to drive up the price. The team behind Shiba Inu coin decided to give half of SHIB tokens to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, but he foiled their plan when he dumped the tokens, giving the proceeds to charity, asking that projects not give him coins without his consent and stating that "I don't want to be a locus of power." Meme tokens comprise around 2.8% of the crypto market cap in mid-June 2021, and the sector is worth over $38 billion, according to one aggregator. But wild price swings are not unusual. Typically, meme cryptos have a huge circulating supply, often in the quadrillions. What are the most popular meme tokens? CoinMarketCap lists the 3 most popular meme tokens or coins as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Safemoon, and this was as of June 2021. Here is a quick snapshot of what each of them are. So, the OG, Dogecoin. Dogecoin was invented by developers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. It started off as a joke, but it's become a serious proposition since Elon Musk began championing it in 2019. The dog-themed crypto has seen its value soar in recent months, hitting a market cap of $9 billion at its peak in January 2021. Musk is now working with Doge developers to improve the platform, optimize it as means of paying goods and services, and reduce its carbon footprint. Ever since the high of January 2021, Dogecoin has actually continued to make even more highs. Even though we've had a little bit of a dip in the market, it would not surprise me at all if Doge decided to go on a next madness, if Elon Musk just decided to tweet about it again. That is the power of our man Elon Musk. But let's get back into it and take a look at Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu was launched in April 2021 as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building and swiftly increased in value by over 2 million% before reaching an all-time high in early May. The token benefited from the attention received by Dogecoin, particularly when Elon Musk appeared on the SNL last month, prompting a Doge sell-off after he apparently branded the coin as a hustle, SNL being Saturday Night Live. SHIB has a total supply of 1 quadrillion and is designed to allow users to hold billions or even trillions of tokens. Still, analysts have warned that it would need to climb about 12 million% to hit its magic target of $1. So then we go on to Safemoon. Safemoon seeks to improve on Dogecoin's tokenomic model. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a limited supply of 21 million coins, potentially there's an infinite supply of Dogecoin, giving it what's known as an inflationary tokenomic model. To remedy this, Safemoon employs a deflationary tokenomic model. It means that every time a Safemoon transaction takes place, 5% of it is burned and a further 5% is redistributed to the remaining token holders. Therefore, the total supply of tokens is designed to constantly decrease, ensuring safe gains and less inevitability in respect of bubbles. In spring 2021, the token soared over 1,500%, only to plummet by 73%. Its market capitalization in June 2021 was $2 billion. So what are the dangers of meme tokens? Not everyone sees the funny side to Dogecoin and its ilk. Thailand's regulator ordered exchanges to delist meme tokens in June 2021, alongside NFTs and fan tokens. Again, for those of you that do not know what NFTs are or what they do, I've got a video coming up about that as well, so stay tuned. There's also the ever-present danger of rug pulls, when developers hold a bunch of coins, get people to buy in, and then dump their coins. That causes the market to plummet. While they escaped with their booty, even experienced investor Mark Cuban has been a victim. One way to mitigate the risk of rug pulls is to only buy coins and tokens that are vetted, audited, or have some sort of reliable third-party oversight. The future. Relying on crypto influencers to shill the next coin seems to be fickle enterprise. But the ultimate success of individual meme coins and tokens is dependent on the strength of their communities, and influencer culture is not going away. Inevitably, barring regulatory crackdowns such as Thailand's, the crop of meme tokens looks set to expand, as the tools for them become higher, ever more accessible. Meme.com, for instance, is a new marketplace where users can compare meme cryptocurrencies and mint their own. Meme tick tokens, whose worth will be based on the perceived value of trends or memes they represent. Backed by nothing, a $38 billion asset has been memed into existence. So there you have it, guys. That is everything you really need to know about meme coins. Again, some people love it, some people hate it. What can you do? You just got to go with the flow, right? All I would say is, guys, just be careful of the dangers of meme coins. Obviously, due to the recent rug pulls that we have seen within the market, it could literally happen anytime. So just be wary of that. Otherwise, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to leave a like down below. Please make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already, and ensure your bell icon is turned on to ensure you are being notified whenever I upload a video. And that is going to cover it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy.